Okay, November 16th, probably the last warm day of the year. All back together. Cosmetic 30,000 head gaskets. Yeah, everything's kind of all sorted out. Fixed all the leaks. The gas tank had a leak and that's gone now. And you know, everything's back together. So there you go. Out for a quick spin. Make sure everything's good. She needs a bath, but that's okay. That can wait till the spring. He's gonna put her up later on this afternoon anyways, right? So here we go. I'll give her a warm start. I just went about 30 miles and I'm doing some shopping. So I'll give her a warm start. Okay, 95 cubic inches. 2002 roadking. There we go. This chunk's pretty nice. That's great. She's definitely a paint shaker, no doubt about it. But man, that engine it's tight.